South Korea has initiated a groundbreaking defense strategy by deploying laser weapons to combat North Korean drones. The StarWars system, developed in collaboration with Hanwha Aerospace, swiftly neutralizes enemy drones with a directed energy beam in just 10 seconds per shot, costing only $1.45. This pioneering move makes South Korea the first country globally to integrate laser weapons into its defense arsenal, significantly bolstering its response capabilities against drone provocations from the north. According to South Korea's Defense Acquisition Program Administration, DAPA, the system effectively disables drones by targeting their motors or electrical systems within 10 to 20 seconds of engagement. The introduction of the StarWars system represents a leap forward in military technology and underscores South Korea's leadership in countering aerial threats. Globally, countries like the USA, Israel, and China are also advancing in laser weapon development, recognizing its potential against UAVs, missiles, and even satellite threats. South Korea's innovative approach not only enhances its defense posture but also sets a precedent for global defense strategies. As nations vie for technological supremacy in laser weapons, South Korea's experience serves as a pivotal example of leveraging cutting-edge technology for national security. Stay updated on the latest in military technology and defense innovations. Subscribe for more updates on South Korea's StarWars laser system and its impact on global defense strategies. Does this fit your needs?